What's up, guys, and welcome back to the FitMenCook kitchen. So in honor of Heart Health Month here in the US, I am kicking off a 5-part series called HIIT and Smoothie. Getting active every single day is part of a healthy and balanced lifestyle. So we're gonna be doing just that. Now, to make this a little bit more fun, I thought it'd be cool if we challenge ourselves to do some of the workouts that my favorite Instagrammers, my favorite YouTubers put out there. So today, we are kicking off with the Justtrain challenge. If you're not following this guy on Instagram, you've got to do it. He is full of a whole lot of energy, and he has to be because he's the personal trainer for the very funny comedic rock star, Kevin Hart. Working out is also much more enjoyable with your friends, so I got my homie here, Josh, and he's going to be doing it along with me. Each circuit is about 5 minutes long, so we're going to do each movement for about 50 seconds, then rest for 10 seconds. All right, we're going to do that 5 times. The entire challenge, though, is to do this 3 times so that you are burning, getting sweaty, and getting active for 15 minutes each day. After this, we're going to head into the kitchen to make a smoothie. But first, we got to get our sweat on. All right, y'all, if you are ready, then let's get started. Headphones on. Leg lock sit-ups and punch. Keep going. How much time we got left? This is why you do it with a friend. Tell me, you want to laugh through this?
Come on. 10 seconds.
It's 10 for real?
I don't know. All right, 2.
Looks like this. And here we go. And just pump it out each time. Move your arms as fast as they can.
Switching at 25 seconds.
All quad.
3, 2, switch.
Now, if this is too much for you, keep going, Justin. If it's too much for you, just hold it right here and just do this. Just do this. Just pump it out.
Come on.
Pump it out just like this.
2. All right.
Come on, keep going. Let's do it.
One more. Switch sides. Two.
Right? You got it?
I need some burpees.
I need some burpees.
Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Modify.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Keep going.
1, 2, 3.
If you can't do that,
5.
do this. Walk your way through it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Just like that.
1, 2.
We all start somewhere.
5.
And out.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
You do this for a living.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's time.
Catch your breath. Rest for 1 minute. Do that entire circuit again, at least one more time. The base, though, when you try to do it, is 3 times. Again, modify this for your fitness level. The most important thing is that you're getting a good workout, you're getting your heart rate up, you're getting your sweat on. How was it?
It was burning.
It was burning?
It was burning. It's good.
Good. Let's head into the kitchen and make ourselves a smoothie. All right, it's smoothie time, and we are taking it way back, all the way back to childhood, or maybe it's not way back for you, way back for me. And we're making some Orange Dream Popsicle Smoothies. First, we're gonna start out with some freshly squeezed orange juice. So if you squeeze it and some of the pulp falls in there, that means first off that you have a really good grip, but also it's gonna be really nice and orangey, so no worries about that. Next, we're gonna take a grater and add in some orange zest. So we're gonna take it just like that. Next, we're gonna add in some heart healthy flaxseed meal. This is packed with fiber. It helps to lower your cholesterol. It's packed with omega-3 fatty acids. Next, your favorite protein powder. This is a vanilla protein powder. You can use a whey, you can use a collagen peptide, you can use a vegan plant-based protein. For the liquid, you can either use some water or some unsweetened almond milk. I'll be using some almond milk in mine. And to boost that creamy vanilla flavor with the orange, we're gonna add in just a touch of vanilla extract. Add in some ice, pop the top, and let's go to work. Our delicious orange sickle protein smoothie. Look how creamy it is. You see the speckles of the milled flaxseed. Tasty. Orange popsicle energy right here. Remember guys, to customize this smoothie to meet your fitness goals, post it on social media and let me know how y'all are enjoying this heart-healthy HIIT Smoothies challenge. Enjoy. How was it?
The most challenging part was not worrying about the time.
Not worrying about the time?
Not worrying about the time.
Why is that so important?
Because we'll get caught up so much about worrying about the time that we forget that we're supposed to be having fun while we're working out.
More power to you. I'm thinking about the pain that I'm in at the time. I'm thinking about that time now. But you're actually right. We should be thinking much more. And I think that if we train our minds and train our bodies to focus much more on the outcome, what's happening, we'll focus less on that pain. It's really not even about how much weight you're doing. It's about your form, but also how much you're really pushing yourself, because technically, if you didn't last 50 seconds because you gassed at like 30 seconds, that is awesome. You are pushing your body to the absolute max, and your body said no more. At least you're pushing yourself. You're gonna get your stamina and your endurance up so you can last a whole lot longer. But if you just coasted through that, you're like, it's easy.
Not even trying, just going through the movement.
You need to be doing a little bit more than push yourself with each workout, all right?
Exactly.
All right. Justtrain, appreciate you, homie. Go and follow this guy. If you are not, I guarantee you will not regret it.